in between on the 2 inches. And I'm going to go a 1/2 inch down. So I'm going to put it on my mat. Then I'll know right where to place that hole for the snap. We're using Kam Snaps. Just put that through there. Push your material down on there. That interfacing in there will help. Like to make sure they're going the right way. You're going to put it in your Kam Snap pliers. And give it a little squeeze. I like to double check. Okay, so there's that top one. I'm going to do the same thing on the other end. Measure about a 1/2 inch down. Putting my mark on that line right there. Waller out a hole. Okay, so that. Next, we're going to push this one through from the other side. Press that fabric down on there. Put that other socket through there. Squeeze it closed. And test your snaps. Looks like it's backwards, doesn't it? But you're going to go around your cords. Snap it like that. There's 3 sizes. I've got one more size I'm going to do for a computer cord, the computer charger cord. It'll probably work good for extension cords too. Is that cool? I just got this tool. I might love it.